for demonstrative pronouns, we're moving on. Okay, so we're going to take that who, whom, and all those questions and put them on the side right now next to your compound personal pronouns. So put it in a file and go to it later, okay? Okay, so now we're going to talk about demonstrative pronouns. All right, I'm going to show you an example. So, this, that, these papers, those desks. Okay? Okay. So, this, that, these, and those are going to be your demonstrative pronouns. Okay, these ones, you see here.
They're near?
They're near. You're going to be talking about something that is near you.
You're going to be talking about something that's close to you.
Exactly, that's perfect.
The far is where you're talking about something that's farther away.
You're going to be like, over there, over there, go, wait, those are over there.
If it's near, it has to be something that you can reach.
Yeah, exactly. That's
if it's
exactly
far,
right.
If it's far, you can't touch it.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So, and a lot of times in the sentence, you have to kind of look at the context of it. So it'll say like, over there, there's that. Or wait, no. Yeah, over there. Yeah, no, that's right. Over there. That is over there. You wouldn't say, because if you're talking about something close, you wouldn't say, this is over there. Because you think this is right here, right? Exactly. So it's in your hand. And if you look, the plural ones, you see all the smiley faces down there? It's more than one person. And then the singular is going to refer to one thing. Well, thing or person. So for plural, you see smiley faces, it's going to be like more than one of something or someone. Singular, one little guy. Okay? So, that's what, oh wait, write these notes down. It points out, demonstrative pronouns, they're going to point out people or things, like we were talking about, because it's pointing at everything, remember? Let me know when you just finished that first one. First line. I don't know, when you're talking about, when you're doing it yourself and you say the sentence out loud, if someone were to say, like, these are over there, wouldn't you think these are in their hand?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that would be wrong, right? Yeah, exactly. You don't have to write it careful, by the way. Oh, okay, that's okay. I just wanted you guys to see that. I put emphasis on that. Okay, y'all good? Okay. Okay, so you don't have to write this part because you already have this down on your chart. This and that refer to something that is singular. So like I was saying before, on your chart how it says that.
Yes.
And these and those are going to be something plural. So I kind of think of it.
So like if there's a sentence that's talking about a group of people.
Yes.
That could be one of them?
Yeah, like those people over there. Or these people right here. Right?
Okay, now I get it.
Now you get it? Okay. Yeah, I know, it's a little confusing. Do you understand that with this and that too?
Yeah.
So it'll be like, this trash can over here. That trash can over there.
Or those girls standing by that trash can.
Right, exactly. And then these girls standing by this trash can. You see how you do that?
Yeah.
And you can kind of see with the words, this and that, when you're saying it in the same sentence, they kind of got to agree, right? So that kind of helps you a little bit too. Okay, so I wanted to have like a little guy showing you, this is my shoe. So it's talking about something near. So the sentence is right there, so it's, this is my shoe. That, so it's near, singular. These are my, actually, wait, write the sentence down so you have some examples to look at. Yeah, this is my shoe. Okay. These are my crayons. Talking about a whole bunch of crayons. They're right there.
Got it.
All right. Perfect. See, look, he's pointing over there. So those were my first words. Those. And when you're talking about something in the past, so instead of talking about something that's physically far away, you're talking about something that, like, when you're talking about my first words, those were way a long time ago, right? That was a long time ago, so it's going to be all the way that way. So it's going to be, those are my first words. So when you're talking about time, and it's a far away amount of time, that would be those. You would use those because it's far away and it's plural, so you'd use that. And when you're talking about something where it's like current, right here, right now, that would be these.
Like the past and
Yeah, it's very
past.
good.
Like the past and
Yeah.
the future.
Yeah, exactly. The future is far away and the past is far away, but the present is right here, right? So you gotta think like that. So future, all the way over there. Past, all the way that way.
Past, present, and future.
Future is right here. You're in the present, right?
Yeah.
So that would be so close to you, right?
Yeah.
So that's why you would use things that are close to you, right? So that's why you would use this and these.
Now I get it.
So this is the future. This is right now. This is happening, right?
Yes.
You wouldn't say, you would say, that
Those
is,
are what I'm doing. Right?
yeah, you'd say that is going to happen in the future. That's when you would use that. Those, or actually you'd say these chores are what I have to do right now. Or you could say, tomorrow I have to do those chores. That's when you would use those. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, I put my name in here.
This is Miss Barron.
That. Careful, careful. What did that say? That is Miss Barron across the street. So if I were like, so you wouldn't say, would it make sense if you were like, this is Miss Barron across the street? Because I'm not right here, right?
Yeah.
I'm across the street, so you would be like, that over there, that's Miss Barron. Right?
Yeah.
Because if I were to say like, this over here is Miss Barron across the street, doesn't that not really make sense?
That does not.
No, it does not. So a lot of times when you're trying to figure out which one, you could say that over here, or that over there, I'm sorry, that over there, or this right here, or these right now, or those over there. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, okay, since there were going to be three of us, we were going to play this game, but you and I can play a different version of it, okay?
That's fine.
I'm going to make it up. I just thought of it on the spot, actually. So I'm going to give myself some props for it, but hopefully it's pretty good. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to play tic-tac-toe. I'm going to put it up on the board, like blank thing right here. I'll do a new slide. Sorry about that. Okay. So we'll just do smart notebook. Singing a little bit slow, but okay, so I'm gonna explain what we're gonna do. Okay, So I'm going to have a tic-tac-toe board on here, and you and I are going to play. And Mr. Tom can play too if he wants. Okay. So we can switch off. We can play one-on-one you and me, and then one-on-one you and Mr. Tom.
That's fine with me.
Okay, that works. Okay. So what I think I'm going to put in is the first one, we're going to do compound personal pronouns, okay? So I'm going to have one of them in the sentence, or in the square for the tic-tac-toe part.
Yeah, and if you get it wrong,
You get to put the X there. But the way you can get it right is you have to use it in a sentence and use it correctly. You have to make up the sentence and use it correctly, okay?
Okay.
Does that work?
That works for me.
Let me know if it gets too difficult, we'll change it around and we'll make it different. Because I just came up with this on the spot, so.
It makes sense to me.
Okay, alright.
I think I can handle it.
I think you can too. Oh, CJ, your books are in your 3rd hour class, okay? I'm going to use some examples from the book. Thank you. Actually, you know what? Starboard is taking too long. I'm just going to do it on the erase board. What's it besides? Okay, give me a compound personal pronoun.
Compound personal pronoun.
Yes.
You can do your homework yourself.
Oh, I meant just give me one of them.
Oh,
That's
yourself.
perfect. Yourself. Okay. I'm just gonna write it down. Himself is not right. Or is it himself?
Himself, herself,
Does it say him?
himself.
Okay, good. Yeah. So I added 2 extra ones so you can get twice the amount of practice.
Okay, that works for me.
Okay, sounds good.
It worked.
Oh, it did? Okay. Well, why don't we do this? You can write the sentence on here, on the smartboard,
Yeah.
okay? And then you'll cross it out if you get it right, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, will it even work?
Yep, it'll work. Yes. Okay. So, Mr. Tom, you want to start with him first? You can go up against him first, and I'll take winner.
Okay.
I'll
You want to
take.
go first?
I'll go first.
Okay. So, go ahead and pick one. Pick one of the slots that you're going to go for, and write a sentence for it.